Hi, my name is Theodore. I'm a sound designer and media composer. I'm currently diving into Unity and FMOD in conjunction with Unity, and I'll be really happy to share with you some of my results. I'll be working with a scene called Viking Village, which can be downloaded for free from the Unity Asset Store. I'm planning to create a general background ambience for the village and add some special sound effects for several buildings, the sea, as well as a few objects such as torches and a watermill. So let's get started. To search for sounds, I use Soundly. I compile the sounds into a system within FMOD. Along with 2 loops of birds and wind sounds, I included a multi-instrument that randomly selects one of 3 different dog bark samples. Sometimes it doesn't play at all because I set the play chance to 6 to 8%. I use a similar approach for the other events: torches, the sea, and so on. Then I attach these events to the 3D objects in the scene using the FMOD Studio Event Emitter script. To add sound to the torches, I applied the FMOD emitter to the torch prefab, which allowed me to instantly add sound to all similar torch objects in the scene. Then I adjust the attenuation spheres. Okay, let's listen to the result. We can clearly hear the torch positioning either in the left or right speaker. We start to hear the waves slowly, and then hear them at full volume when we enter the inner sphere of attenuation. Great, now I want to add sound specifically for 2 locations, the stable and the workshop, so that the sound in these locations only play when I enter them. To do this, I create separate 3D objects inside these buildings. Disable the mesh, create box colliders, and activate the isTrigger option. In the FMOD emitter script, I set the event to start when entering the trigger and stop upon exiting. Okay, let's listen to how it works. So the stable, and the workshop. And finally, let's go and listen to the sound of the watermill. That's it. Thank you for watching.